This is the southeast of Bangladesh. There are a lot of people here, working and living close to the ocean. Of course, they have to be protected, with concrete dikes, for example. But those are often too expensive. That's why, most of the time, earthen dikes are built. But when a big storm hits the coast, those dikes don't hold, and people have to rebuild everything. So, how can we protect these people? Well, with eco-engineering. This means the coast is defended by working with natural processes. A small layer of empty shells, concrete, or debris is placed in front of the coast. Oyster larvae, floating through the water, attach to it and start to grow. This way, a reef is formed. Within months, sand starts building up behind it. Vegetation, like mangrove trees, are planted there and have the chance to grow. Now, when one of these big storms hits, the mangrove trees take the brunt of the blow, and the dike holds.
Yeah.
Nice. Even better, animals like fish and crabs start living in the reef and mangroves, providing a source of food. That's how eco-engineering contributes to secure livelihoods in Bangladesh. Visit our website to find out if this solution fits your country.